Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make cucumber salad with Greek yogurt. First, select 2 medium-sized, firm cucumbers. Peel them and slice them thinly. Then, lightly salt the cucumber slices with 1 teaspoon of salt and let them sit for about 15 minutes. This step is crucial for removing excess water, ensuring your salad remains delightfully crisp and not watery. Next, let's prepare the creamy Greek yogurt dressing. In a separate bowl, combine 1 cup of plain Greek yogurt. Add 2 cloves of minced garlic, which provides a wonderful aromatic depth. Then, stir in 2 tablespoons of fresh, finely chopped dill. This herb is essential for that classic, refreshing flavor profile we're aiming for. Now, it's time to bring everything together. Gently squeeze any remaining excess water from your cucumber slices. This ensures your salad stays thick and flavorful. Carefully fold the drained cucumbers into the Greek yogurt dressing. Finally, season the salad with 1/4 teaspoon of salt and black pepper to taste, adjusting to your preference. For the best flavor, chill your cucumber salad in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes before serving. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully. Before serving, you can garnish it with a sprinkle of fresh dill or a light drizzle of olive oil for an extra touch. This refreshing salad is perfect as a side dish or a light appetizer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.